Raise your hand if you've ever blamed your creaky knees, stiff back, or those "where'd my energy go" days on getting old. Yep, me too. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that your kitchen, yes, that fridge over there, holds the secret to feeling like you're 40 again? No, I'm not talking about a time machine or some magical kale smoothie that tastes like regret. I'm talking about real food, stuff you probably already have, that can rebuild your muscles, boost your energy, and get you moving like you're ready to chase your grandkids or dance at the next family wedding. And don't worry, you won't need a gym membership, a personal trainer, or a wallet-busting supplement stash. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's uncover the 5 foods that can make your 60s feel like your 40s again. Oh, and stick around to the end because the first food is the most underrated muscle-building powerhouse you've probably ignored in your pantry. Let's dive in. Welcome to Health After 60, your go-to channel for simple, science-backed ways to feel strong, energized, and vibrant at any age. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of seniors taking charge of their health. One delicious bite at a time. Today, we're revealing 5 everyday foods that can rebuild muscle, improve your posture, and give you the energy to live life to the fullest. These aren't exotic superfoods flown in from some far-off jungle. They're affordable, wholesome, and likely sitting in your kitchen right now. Let's get started with food number 5, lentils. Don't let their small size fool you. Lentils are a nutritional giant for anyone over 60 looking to rebuild muscle. You might think muscle growth requires fancy protein shakes or endless chicken breasts, but lentils prove you don't need to break the bank or your taste buds to stay strong. 1 cooked cup of lentils delivers about 18 grams of high-quality plant protein, perfect for repairing and building muscle tissue without relying heavily on meat. But protein is just the start. Lentils are packed with complex carbohydrates that give you steady energy without the blood sugar roller coaster that leaves you tired and sluggish. They're also loaded with soluble fiber, which does wonders for your gut. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and less inflammation, the sneaky culprit behind muscle stiffness, joint pain, and fatigue as we age. A 2018 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that diets high in soluble fiber, like lentils, reduce inflammation markers like C-reactive protein by up to 20%, helping muscles recover faster and stay strong. Take Maria, a 68-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. She used to feel stiff and tired after gardening, assuming it was just part of aging. Then she started adding lentils to her weekly meals. Think hearty soups and salads. Within a few months, Maria noticed she could kneel in her garden longer, stand up without wincing, and even carry her grocery bags with ease. "I feel like I've got my old spark back," she told me. And the best part? Lentils are dirt cheap and super easy to cook. Here's how to make lentils work for you. No soaking needed. They cook in just 15 to 20 minutes. Toss them into a veggie soup, mix them with rice and spices for a hearty side, or try an Indian dal with turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost. Sprinkle some into a salad for extra protein and crunch. Lentils are versatile, affordable, and a game changer for your muscles. Check your pantry. Your muscle-building journey might start with a simple bag of lentils. Next up, we have chia seeds. Yes, those little black specks you might have seen in smoothies or health food aisles. Don't underestimate them. These tiny seeds are a muscle-building powerhouse, especially after 60. Chia seeds are one of the few plant foods that offer complete protein, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. Just 2 tablespoons give you about 6 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber to keep your gut happy and your energy steady. Here's where chia seeds get really cool. When you mix them with water or milk, they form a gel that slows digestion. This means your muscles get a steady stream of nutrients, perfect for recovery, which slows down as we age. A 2020 study in nutrients showed that chia's omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, reduce inflammation by up to 15%, easing joint pain and muscle soreness. Plus, that gel keeps you hydrated, which is key for keeping muscles flexible and preventing cramps. Chia seeds are so easy to add to your day. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or mix them with almond milk and a splash of vanilla for a creamy chia pudding. No cooking required, and they last forever in your pantry. Eat them a few times a week and you'll notice less stiffness, faster recovery after walks, and a boost in energy. Chia seeds aren't just food, they're like a gentle hug for your muscles. Now, let's talk about Ceylon cinnamon. Not the sugary stuff on cinnamon rolls, but the real, pure spice that's a secret weapon for your muscles. You probably know cinnamon helps with blood sugar, but did you know it's a muscle recovery superstar? A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that Ceylon cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity by up to 25% after exercise, helping your muscles soak up glucose and nutrients for faster repair and growth. Cinnamon also fights oxidative stress, the process where free radicals damage muscle fibers, leaving you stiff and tired. Its antioxidants like polyphenols protect your cells and reduce inflammation. But here's the catch. You want Ceylon cinnamon, not the common cassia kind. Cassia has coumarin, which can strain your liver if you use it a lot. Ceylon is safer and more effective. Just half a teaspoon a day can make a big difference. Stir a pinch into your coffee, tea, or oatmeal. Blend it into a smoothie or sprinkle it on Greek yogurt for a tasty, muscle-friendly breakfast. You can even use it in baking to cut down on sugar. Over time, cinnamon helps your muscles recover faster, reduces soreness, and keeps you energized. It's like a warm, spicy boost for your body. Avocado lovers, this one's for you. This creamy green fruit isn't just for toast, it's a muscle-building hero for anyone over 60. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and support hormone production, like testosterone, which keeps your muscles strong and your bones dense. A 2021 study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that diets rich in healthy fats like those in avocados improve muscle strength by up to 12% in older adults. Avocados also deliver vitamin E and vitamin D, which are crucial for muscle repair and preventing breakdown. Plus, they're loaded with potassium, more than a banana, to prevent cramps and keep your muscles moving smoothly. Potassium also helps with coordination and reaction speed, which can fade with age. Half an avocado a day is all you need to feel the difference. Meet John, a 72-year-old grandfather from Florida. John used to struggle with leg cramps at night and felt tired after playing with his grandkids. He started eating half an avocado daily, on toast, in salads, or just scooped with a spoon. Within weeks, his cramps were gone and he could keep up with his grandkids' energy. "I feel like I'm in my 50s again," he says with a smile. Mash avocado on whole grain toast, toss it into a salad with greens and a boiled egg, or blend it into a smoothie for creaminess without sugar. It's versatile, delicious, and keeps you full. Add avocado to your meals, and you'll notice less joint pain, better recovery, and a spring in your step. We've saved the best for last. Flax seeds. These tiny brown seeds are probably sitting in your pantry right now, quietly waiting to work their magic. Flax seeds are a muscle-building superstar, packed with omega-3s, plant-based protein, and antioxidants called lignans. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that flax seeds improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation markers by up to 18%, helping muscles recover and grow stronger. Here's the secret. Flax seeds form a gel when soaked, slowing digestion so your muscles get a steady supply of nutrients, especially overnight when your body repairs. They also tame cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle, and boost feel-good hormones for a brighter mood. Always grind flax seeds before eating. Whole seeds pass right through you. 1 tablespoon a day is enough to make a difference. Sprinkle ground flax seeds on oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Mix them into muffin batter or make a healthy energy bite with nuts and honey. Flax seeds are affordable, store well, and fit any diet. Eat them regularly and you'll feel stronger, less stiff, and more energized. Like you've turned back the clock. There you have it, friends. The 5 foods that can rebuild your muscles and bring back that youthful energy. Flax seeds for steady recovery, avocados for healthy fats and hormones, Ceylon cinnamon for insulin sensitivity, chia seeds for complete protein, and lentils for plant power. These aren't complicated or expensive. They're simple, science-backed foods that can transform how you feel after 60 seconds. Age doesn't have to mean weakness or fatigue. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, these foods can help you walk taller, move easier, and live with more joy. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 to add to your meals this week. Check your pantry, grab what you need, and take the first step toward a stronger, more vibrant you.